dito na kami, Kyoto. And we're staying here at Daiwa Roynet Hotel. It's my favorite part in every hotel that we're staying here in Japan. And then may mga freebies. Bago pa lang pumasok ka sa room, may mga tea, sleepers, lahat ng amenities ng room nandito. Walang limit. Kuha ka lang ng kuha. This one is, wait a minute, this, drip coffee. Justin, kuha ka nito. Drip coffee to. They have also, this is the bitter, this is for the mild. They have sleepers, kid sleepers. Toothbrush, body wash towel. Diba? Unlimited din guys. We just arrived here in Kyoto. Naka-check-in na kami. So today, we're going to pahinga lang kasi time check is already 5:19 in Japan, which is an hour ahead of the Philippines. So dito muna kami, pahinga. Then maya-maya ng konti, we'll go to the market na, then hanap kami ng dinner doon. Okay. Hi Kadokis, hindi pa rin tumitigil ang ulan, so we just decided na lumabas pero dito lang sa malapit, and naghahanap sila ngayon where to go or where to eat. Depende na lang sa mga kasama ko kung anong gagawin namin ngayon. Well, I guess there's nothing much to do ngayon, kaya baka possible na magpahinga na lang, then tomorrow na lang yung gagawin yung mga dapat puntahan, dapat gawin, at dapat kainan. Hi guys! Lalakad kami ngayon. May nahanap sila na restaurant na ang specialty is soba, kasi daw pag nasa Kyoto ka, ang kakainin daw dito is soba. Pag nasa Osaka ka daw, kakainin mo doon ramen. So ngayon, ang pupuntahan namin ang restaurant na nag-specialize ng soba. Magbibigay ba tayo or magsasake?
Sake!
Sake!
Sake na!
Ay, Justin, gusto mo. Dito kami sa restaurant sa pangalan, hindi namin alam yung restaurant. Basta pumasok ka lang kami, ang mukha namang masarap yun. Our drinks are here and appetizers. Good morning, Kyoto! Kakagising lang namin. Eto, nakabihis na ako for our breakfast. Kasi alam niyo naman, pag breakfast sa mga hotel, walang mga pantulog tsaka pambahay. This is our this is our view from our room. Okay, Kadokis, good morning. Good morning, good morning. Ito yung mga I woke up like this. Good morning, Kadokis. Today we're going to Arashiyama Bamboo Grove. And then after which we're going to the Kinkakuji Pavilion. Kaya ito yung outfit natin for today. As you'll know, Kadoki, this is our second day in Kyoto. And kagabi medyo umulan, kaya hindi na kami nakalabas. So we just went out for dinner, konting sake, then umuwi na natulog. Si Allen at si Justin nagkaraoke hanggang alas 3 ng madaling araw. I was not able to go with them kasi I chose to rest na lang. Kaya today is our second day here. Kaya join us in our adventure in Kyoto. On our way to our first day of adventure here in Kyoto, Kadokis. Kasama ko. Messy hair tayo ngayon. Yan ang style natin. We're here na, Kadokis. Walking. We're still undecided if we're going to rent a bike. What did you get?
The concert.
Say hi to my vlog. Bamboo forest. Thank you so much. Cute, cute. Justin. Cute. This looks so good. Wasimashi.
Come on. Wala na. Ay!
Look at that!
Cheese overload.
Baka creamy naman ito.
Yes, please.
Parang napaka-creamy.
Nag-flame sila ng We are now on the main street. Nandito lahat ang mga restaurants, mga souvenir shops, mga turista, ang dami-dami. Ang ganda ng weather, napaka-cooperative. Pakulimlim siya, pero may payong kami in case na umulan ulit. May gusto kaming kainin dito mga kadokis, yung mochi na may strawberry. Sobrang sarap pero So far wala pa kami nakikita. Maybe it's not the season. Pero usually yung yung strawberry na yun parang sa tabi lang ng bahay. Nila binebenta dito yung mga locals. So far wala kaming makita. So cute. Sake. Do you have soba? Soba. Soba, please. What's that?
Cold sake. Dalawa yung binigay namin. Okay.
What's that?
Tantan. Tantan soba.
Hi to Doggies, I ordered
What is this?
tempura soba.
Oh, no.
No, it's soba. Soba. Okay, there's a tempura. There's the soba. Gonna taste the soup.
Tsaka lang.
Sarap.
Sarap.
It's really authentic.
Everyone is enjoying their noodles.
Yeah. Alan enjoyed the tempura so much, so we ordered an extra soba.
Welcome to Trisha Eats the World.
No, this is the vlog of Black Pochero Dentista. Parang Trisha Eats the World vlog to. Tapos, ito ang pala.
Isang karyoka. Diba? Parang karyoka talaga.
May soy sauce. But it works. You have matcha ice cream?
Green tea.
Green tea, yeah. Yeah, green tea. Yeah, the green tea, yeah, that one. Okay, thank you. Hi. Say hi. Say hi. Thank you so much. Yay. Cheers. Matcha ice cream, guys. Ang authentic ng lasa, no? Sarap, grabe. Kadukis. Mushi-mushi. Hi. Hi. Matcha ice cream. So good, kadukis. That concludes our Bamboo Forest Park tour. Off na kami sa aming next destination, which is the pavilion. We're gonna take the train, then after the train, a few minutes ng bus ride, then nandun na kami sa pavilion. I'll update you later, guys. We are now at Emachi Station ngayon. Punta na kami sa bus stop. That will be our second ride going to the pavilion. Dito na kami sa bus stop waiting for our ride going to the pavilion. Okay guys, let's go. Let's go. Hi Kadokis! Nandito na tayo sa The Pavilion. Golden Pavilion. Ang ganda, ano? It's my third time here pero it's always been a go-to place. Oh my, Justin, may ilap ang love. Justin for love yan, galingan mo. Pang love life yan. Ay! Wow! Mag-over sila ng candles. Tapos in every particular candle, meron dyan family safety, fulfillment of wish, success and study, different wishes. Tapos ilalagay nila dun sa candle. Well, this concludes our pavilion tour. Pauwi na rin kami, then balik na kami ng hotel. Then after the hotel, siguro we'll look for dinner, then siguro night out para naman ma-relax kami. Kasi the whole day was really tiring but enjoyable. Hi Kadokis! Dito kami kakain. Yan sa maliit na restaurant na yan. Random lang namin to. Naglakad lang kami the whole strip. Tapos ang dami-daming choices left and right. But since it's Friday night, full. Pero we're so lucky that Allen and Justin were able to find a good restaurant. So na-accommodate. Usually kasi ito mga tables, pang dalawa, pang apat, 5 kami. So para mahirap nila i-accommodate. Napansin din namin, talagang maliliit yung mga spaces nila. So fortunately nakahanap kami kasi gutom na rin kami. Time check, it's 7:30 in the evening. So yun, papasok na ako sa restaurant. Hi! Oh, we have table already.
Coffee.
No, for 5. My friends are inside already.
Okay.
Yeah. Thank you. Look at the interior, guys. And may table. Now they're gonna prepare food. And they're fresh. And they're fixing the table namin. You say hi to the vlog. Hi. Hey sister, i-advertise ko na yung vlog mo. Please follow her.
Trisha eats the world.
On YouTube, please follow her, guys. I'm gonna try this one.
Oh my gosh, diba?
Fish, guys.
It's too nice.
Seared lang siya. It's raw in the inside. Ang sarap. So fresh, guys.
Yellowtail.
It melts in your mouth. So fresh.
Mas fresh
Wala
yan
mo lang sa-
kaysa kagabi.
Thank you, Albert. Thank you.
The big one.
Ang dami.
It's on. He's a fan of the hot sake. Ako naman na cold sake.
This is my first, straight lang to straight lang. Hindi mainit.
Magkakanpay kayo.
Kampay.
Straight siya. Hindi mainit.
Mainit.
Kampay. Kampay.
Kanpay.
Oy, ganito sa tayo. Kampay.
Good morning, Kadoki. So today's our second day here in Kyoto and it's another adventure day. So while I'm preparing for my outfit of the day, prepare muna kami. Then I will just keep you posted along the way, Kadokis. Hi guys! We're on our way to... Saan po talaga yun? Oshiminari. Yan. Sister ko nag-stamp. Are you happy? So Sasakay kami ng MRT. We're here, Kadokis. Ang init, ang daming tao. Kasi it's Saturday, it's holiday, kaya expect crowds sa lahat ng mga tourist spots dito sa Japan.
Dapat yung lakad natin.
Ay, ito ba yung akin? Hindi. Hi, what? This mine.
Paano yung lakad siya?
Yung lakad mo siya, ganito naman.
Ako dyan tatagal dito.
I don't feel the feel. Konnichiwa.
What's your experience?
Very nice. We had a nice photo shoot. We were about to make a short film about the emperor.
Emperor?
But,
The Emperor?
init na daw sila. Gusto na sila.
Yan, wala nga kayo.
My debut short film was unsuccessful. The actors were not fully into it. But we had a nice shoot experience.
Let's go eat na.
Let's change first and then we go eat.
This is my favorite part of the day, eating, guys. Sarap dito, as in super. I'm gonna take a videos yung mga food na siniserve dito. Ha? This one is a grilled mochi. Ito naman is the corn. Yan. Ito yung fresh, freshly squeezed. Yan. Ito nakikita dito sa Pinas. Yung sparrow potato na fried. Yan. I wanna try. Can they just,
Lasang palad. Charot.
ba't lasang palad?
Ano kamay rin pala?
Pupunta na ako sa pinaka-favorite ko ever dito. Ha? Wala silang pambili. Okay, let's not eat. Charot. Yes, please. Salt, pepper, nagulat siya sa akin. This is 1,000 yen. Nasa Osaka pa lang kami. Hindi pa kami nakarating ng Kyoto. Ito yung iniisip kong kainin. Nasa loob na kami ng train going to our next destination. Sa next destination, hindi rin i-pronounce eh. Yumizodara. Yun. Ano na kami, one stop, then yun na yung destination. Ay, lipat pala kami ng bus. One stop, then bus. We're here, Kadokis. Actually, hindi ko alam tong place na to kasi first time namin lahat pumunta. I mean, we've been in Japan. This is our third time. Pero I don't know what to expect in this tourist spot, pero ang daming tao. Ay, kain muna daw kami. Hindi pa kami nagla-lunch, guys. Grabe. The air is so cold. Kasi nasa taas na kami ng bundok. Overlooking the city. Ganda guys, Kadokis. Look at my hair.
Thank you, Mayor.
Here's the Madeline. How's the Madeline?
Oh my gosh, I'm making a mess.
Or does it look good more than it tastes good? Very good. Mga Kadokis, ang majestic. Ang ganda ng view. On our way to the bus station, tapos na yung visit namin dito. We enjoyed it, we took a lot of pictures. Sarap ng food. Dito rin kami nag-lunch kanina. There's a bus at the back. Okay Kadokis, diretso na kami ng hotel. Iwan yung mga gamit. Fresh it up ng konti. And then we're gonna eat dinner. That's the most exciting part. Eating dinner. We're always looking forward to eat dinner kasi may nakita kaming restaurant na masarap. Like kagabi. Kung wala, kasi it's weekend, it's gonna be crowded. So kung meron ka naman kitang iba, doon na lang din. We're falling in line. Rush hour guys. Diretso na yung bus namin sa malapit sa hotel namin kaya convenient. Siyempre, pagpapa namin yung hotel. Ang maganda rito pag rush hour, hindi nila sumisiksik yung bus. Kunwari puno na, yung mga ibang nakapila, they just wait for the second bus na darating. Hello Kadokis! Dito na kami sa hotel, nagpapahinga lang. Then around 7:30, maghahanap na kami ng kakainan dito sa Kyoto. It is our last night here. And they're planning to have another night of sake and a good dinner. Kaya join us in a while, Kadokis. In a few minutes, bababa na rin kami to join our companions. Okay? Later, Kadokis. Dito na naman kami sa kung saan kami kumain kakabi Kadokis. Yes. Dito na naman kami, Lalafa. And we ordered the same food na in-order namin kagabi. Yeah. And we added, since wala yung available na ribs night, nag-add tayo ng octopus. Grilled octopus. Salmon carpaccio. I'll take a picture of the food there. Good morning Kadokis. It's our last day here in Kyoto. As you can see, nag-pake na kami. And we just had our breakfast downstairs. So mag-prepare na kami, then check out. Then after checking out, maybe we'll check the other stores dito. Kasi yung sister ko may nakitang store na gusto niyang pasyalan before we head off to Tokyo. Okay Kadokis, good morning. Hello Kadokis, we're now at the lobby. We're gonna check out in a while. Kung napansin niyo, okay na rin yung hair ko kasi yung naiwan namin na hairbrush sa Osaka Hotel, pinadala dito sa hotel namin, dito sa Kyoto. Kaya yan, ayos-ayos na siya and I finally feel fresher brushing my hair. Bibili na kami ng ticket going to Tokyo mga Kadokis. We're gonna take the bullet train. It's gonna take us around 2 hours. Kaya may enjoy namin ng bullet train. Nakabili na kami ng tickets Kadokis. We still have an hour 36 minutes to wait kasi ang kinuha naming bullet train is yung may Mount Fuji view. Kaya flash lang muna kami dito sa terminal. Kain muna kami. Hi Kadokis, our bullet train bound for Tokyo is approaching. Nice! We're in a reserved seat, guys. Chat! Hello mga Kadokis. We asked for a Mount Fuji view during our bullet train ride. Ito na siya.